Introduce students to potential future career and business opportunities in sustainable transportation. Think EV vehicles, infrastructure, meeting climate goals through technical innovations that students can invent, market, or manufacture as business owners and entrepreneurs. There are 3 sessions on October 9th, November 2nd, and November 16th. CCERT at UCR. More about CCERT.
CCERT's one of UCR's largest research institutes. It stands for the College of Engineering Center for Environmental Research and Technology. We started about 21 years ago, and we do all sorts of research dealing with environmental issues such as air quality, transportation, energy issues, and then now we're doing more in the global climate change.
We need more people to solve complex challenges in the IE, to make their homes and businesses here as residents of our diverse and growing community. We need innovators, people who are curious and willing to learn, who are excited to do something different and make a difference. Sign up with your teacher today. Each trip will include 3 hours of discussion and lab. Lunch and transportation will be provided. Opportunity provided by UCR with support from James Irvine Foundation.
At the Center for Environmental Research and Technology, the research that we do here tries to be the honest broker between industry, government, and policy. And so we try to provide the science, the actual facts that go into regulations so changes can be made in policy.
We have faculty that come from campus, we have our own research faculty, we have an excellent staff of engineers, and then we have a lot of students. So students are our #1 product. We have a lot of PhD students, masters, and a lot of undergraduates that help us out with different projects.
Imagine you're driving down the street and you come to an intersection and you don't have to stop at all. You go through intersection after intersection, and your car just takes you through each intersection one after the other. This is what we call an autonomous intersection system.
We're developing the next generation of renewable energies for transportation fuel.
What we have right there is a controlled system that basically is monitoring the overall usage of a building. And the actual application, it helps reduce the power peak during peak hours.
This one is eco-driving project for heavy-duty truck. We're trying to build a driving system for the truck drivers so they can save fuel economy and energy.
CCERT has all sorts of impacts, I think, all the way from the local level all the way up to international levels.
Our experiment will help reduce electric bills for many different companies and will help people use less energy and be more efficient.
Our fossil fuels are depleting, and we need to find a more environmentally friendly, sustainable method to get energy for transportation.
This work is important because it will save thousands of lives. Every year, it will save billions of dollars, and the air we breathe will be much cleaner.
One of the interesting part of our work is working with the young students to train them and go out and solve the challenges faced by any energy use and energy solution, while at the same time doing things for the benefit of humankind.